Thank you for tuning in to Inward Beauty, where we remind beauties everywhere of how beauty starts within. So yesterday I showed you guys my Misfit box. Well, that was delivered to me. And we talked about the benefits of having the Misfit box. So basically, I didn't remember how much money I spent with the Misfit box. So I had to go back and look at it. So basically, I spent $22 on my Misfit box. That was 10 to 13 pounds. Serves 1 to 2 people. They also have the Madness box. That's $35. And it feeds 3 to 5 people. That's 18 to 22 pounds. And then they have the gift box that also serves 1 to 2 people. And it's 10 to 13 pounds. So I went to Kroger to see if I could do a little quick comparison. I think $22 is a pretty good price for what I got. I got 3 apples, 3 onions, I got a stalk of celery, a head of broccoli, I got some squash, maybe 3 or 4 carrots. I had literally 2 potatoes in there, a mango. If I happen to leave anything out, comment in the description box and let me know. That's not a bad price considering what all I got and what I was able to do. So I was able to make a stew. So I went over to the local supermarket to just kind of compare. So I'm always looking for discounts. I'm always looking for bargains. By the way, everything from the Misfit Market, if you didn't see that video, everything is organic, non-GMO. All right. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bunches of organic bananas. All right. Then I got 16 ounces of lettuce. I prefer it not being in this plastic container. I will get there. When I shop at the farmer's market or grow it, I grow Swiss chard, and so sometimes I have a nice harvest, sometimes I don't. See how big that is? $1.50. See how big this is? $1.50. So I think in the comparison, they both have their benefits. So look for those bargains, guys. And I just want to share that with you. Thank you for tuning in to Inward Beauty, where we remind beauties everywhere of how beauty starts within. And if you happen to go to the store and some of your favorite produce is not on sale, get it. Get it. You're worth it.